splendid afternoon to you. Welcome to Tantrum Seafood and Grill. How may I help you?
Well, I would like to order 2 wings and a mash.
Coming right up. You can just choose your favorite dining area and I will be there in short order.
Thank you.
Tell him some barbecue wings.
Oh, and chef, make it 2 servings of barbecue wings.
Yes, miss.
You know the chef?
No. Let's see when we come here.
Me have to ask, cause the way on us steer pan each other like a steering contest, me have to wonder.
Nah, go on, man. I just need that.
Try carry a pleasant face when people have to look up their food here.
Alright, I hear you. How are yourself?
I like it, since have a little vibe.
Yeah. You want something for drinking in the meantime?
Yes, I want a sorrel black rib.
Well, I hope them have that. Super.
Alright, babe.
There you go, ma'am. Sir, I realize I didn't order anything.
A bottle of water.
Okay.
I'll make sure it's sealed.
You sure you don't know the chef?
I mean, we don't know him.
See you.
No man, this look personal.
I mean, don't worry yourself about it. Sometimes you have to just be careful.
I hear.
You must have me a drive.
Wow.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thanks.
You see you try that?
He's not telling you to like it.
Then tell them I have to come back here. Roll is that for them too?
Yeah, when you finish with Kerry, I'll show you how the place is.
I saw the place big?
You tell me show you around at the back?
Yeah.
Hi, Trevor. Hello, Camille.
What's she do ya?
He didn't tell you? I am the owner.
Trevor Sullivan. I make me eat the food. Where bathroom there?
Trevor is what? Is she trying to say the food is not good?
Nice. You never tell me so you're not go there.
Well, technically, I'm not here. I'm just having my daily swim.
And that's why me and you can't agree, you know.